Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2007 Toyota Sienna XLE. This door, we've converted this to manual, slides right open. In the back there, this is an electric ramp. With this remote, I've had one of my mechanics install a very simple winch motor, like a $100 motor. Very easy to do. How it works, you gotta turn it on with the on-off button, make sure the light's red, hit the out button. Simple as that. You got to make sure this door is all the way back. These doors are formerly electric doors, so they don't latch, but you can push it back. As far as the interior of the van, not bad for a 14-year-old van. Got some light standing in the floor, but looks pretty good. The dash is in pretty good shape. It's got a couple small cracks in it. This van's got a few corks to it, and the point of making this video is I hope to show you all those. Hope you know exactly what you're getting. So to be clear, the power doors do not work anymore. They are all manual doors. Now we do give a free set of pull-type Q-straight tie-downs away with each vehicle. When it's time to put it back in, you have to hold the button. Hold it in. So you got to make sure the door's all the way back. This is a good example of that. Got my hands full here. Hold on. Had to push that door back a little bit. So you got to make sure that door's all the way back. Slide it shut and you're ready to go. Turn it off, make sure you save that battery, keep this in the van somewhere that operates the door. Quick walk around to the van. It's got tinted windows, roof rack, it's got new tires on it, alloy wheels. Tires have a whole lot of tread left on them, brand new. It does have a few small scuffs in it. You can see along here as I pull away, it's not that obvious. I mean, the van still looks sharp. My goal is to show you everything I know about this van. I'm not trying to hide anything from it. It's got some rock chips up front, but it still looks pretty good. It drives nice. Got the moonroof. I'll show you all that as well. A little bit of damage here on the gas cap. I don't know what happened, but not a major deal. This driver's side sliding door, like I said, it doesn't latch either. Sometimes it wants to slide shut. Okay, you're either gonna have to hold it open or put some kind of pin or something down there to hold it open if you want to. But again, I hope you know I'm in this video. I'm trying to be honest and fair as I possibly can. Pretty clean interior though. I do see a few stains in this passenger seat. Looks like maybe some cigarette burns. I'm a non-smoker. I don't smell any smoke in here, but I just wanted to show you that's burned at one point. And, in the last 14 years, someone probably had a cigarette in here at some time. Got the 2 keys to 1 fob. When I go to turn the van on, fires right up. No dummy lights on, no airbag, check engine, none of that. And when we go to test all the power windows, the power mirror over here, power mirror over there, you can see they work. Power mirror or power window. So I'm showing you everything I know about the van. I'm showing you what works. I'm showing you what doesn't. It's got the moonroof on it. Moonroof still works. Now the current miles show 74,137. Now, let me go show you the Carfax on this, what we know about this van. As far as the Carfax report, this does show accident, 2 previous owners, 38 service records, so whoever had this serviced it. Last owned in Florida. We scroll down. Carfax guarantees no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon on the title. They guarantee no total loss. Never been any structural damage, no airbags deployed. It does show a mileage discrepancy, so let me show you that here in just a minute. It shows an accident on May 31st of 2019. So you can see whoever had this van changed the oil regularly. They just changed it non-stop. That's a well taken care of Toyota. I mean, what more can you ask for? But it just goes on throughout the years. Shows all the service. You can see this Carfax on our website. And it does show on May 31st of 19, damage to the left front, damage to the right front. But like I showed you, no structural damage. The airbags didn't go off. So that just tells me it's a fender bender. And then October 21st of 2020 shows there was a mileage inconsistency. I don't know if when we bought this van, last known odometer is 166, showing in April of 2019. And when we got it and took it in for service, showed 74. So I'm not sure who did what. or what happened, but I'm being honest with you. I'm showing you exactly what we know about the vehicle. And it looks like there was a mileage rollback. Looks like this van's probably in the 170,000 mile range. But you can see it's been very well taken care of. And I'm being honest with you, letting you know exactly what I know about it. Underneath the hood, idles smoothly. Put a new battery in this thing. I don't see any signs of any leaks, no signs of any damage. No signs of any abnormal rust. I mean, of course, a 14-year-old vehicle is going to have a little bit of surface rust. But everything looks good underneath here. I don't see any signs of any bent metal. That's the air conditioner dripping. That's what it's supposed to do. You know, that's the number one mistake people make when buying used vehicles. They assume things. They assume, oh, it's a Toyota, or oh, it looks good in pictures, or it's a good price. They assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's not all rusted out. And if you've ever seen our competition's websites, go look at them. They don't ever show you the undercarriage here, and they're definitely not making videos of it. You know, they buy a lot of these vans from rust bucket areas, or floods, or salvage, and things like that, and they don't tell you about it, and they try to hide things from you. So, you know, no matter who you buy from, tell them to get off their behind and go make you a detailed video. People get burned on the internet every day. Don't be one of them. Demand a detailed video. Let's get this out on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on a test drive, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know that whether you come in and drive this van home or you take advantage of affordable shipping that we can help arrange, we've done our due diligence. We've made sure the van is roadworthy. The steering wheel is nice and straight, and it just started doing this. The speedometer quit working, so I'm going to guess it's a cable issue. I'm going to have my guys look at that. We're going to try to fix that. But be sure to talk to me about that before you buy, if it's an issue for you. Cruise control is set. But I'm going to go ahead and make the video today, get this out, get it advertising. Very nice van though, runs and drives nice for 14 years old, well taken care of. With all that being said, I highly recommend an affordable extended warranty with every used vehicle. You know, if you're going to spend this kind of money on a van, spend a couple $100 to protect it. Also keep in mind, AC works great, by the way. Got the dual climate control. It's very nice, very cold AC right now. Keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers out there have a real nice price online. Then you get into their store, give them a call. They have $500 dock fees. They got tag fees. They have administrative fees. Fees out the backside. You know, if they're not really being honest with you about the price, what else are they hiding from you? Are they hiding flood damage? Are they hiding title issues? Are they hiding salvage title? Are they hiding mechanical issues? You know, I don't do business like that. The price you see is the price you pay. I don't do all these hidden fees on the back end and try and sneak money in on the back. And anyone that does, to me, they're not trustworthy, and I wouldn't do business with them. So that's up for you to decide. Also keep in mind, on eBay, we have over 800 transactions. Everybody left us positive reviews. 800 people said we did them right. 0 people said we did them wrong. So I'd say, yeah, that's a great reputation. And on our Google reviews, I saw we have 4.7 out of 5 stars. Nice hard brake, by the way. 4.7 out of 5 stars. You know, we've got a great reputation. And we have financing available. We can send an application to your phone. We can send one to your email. We can take one over the phone if that's easier for you. Let us know how we can help. And if you want to give us a call, if you have any questions, 316-262-VANS. It's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. If you're more of a text messenger, give me a text, 316-518-4377. You've now got the owner's cell phone number. I want you to call one of those big companies like Freedom Motors, Mobility Works, one of those VMI or Braun companies. I want you to ask them, say, hey, I want the owner's cell phone number. That way, if I have any issues, I don't have to call and talk to 5 different people and get put on hold and end up in someone's voicemail and never get a call back. I can reach out to the owner. Are they committed enough to customer service to give you the owner's cell phone number? Try it. Find out. Let me know what they say. Check out our entire inventory with Carfaxes and detailed videos just like this van at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, oh, by the way, this passenger seat, the electric seat, does not work. Again, just being honest with you, letting you know what I know about the van. We're selling at a price point where it's not a perfect van. And if you're looking for a perfect van, you are looking in the wrong price range. So, hope you can tell I've been honest about this van. I'm letting you know everything I know. All vans in this price range are going to have some quirks. They're going to have a few small issues. The only difference is I'm honest enough to tell you about them. So, thanks for checking us out. And as always, Thanks for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.